Auzu billahi minesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Tato bacho. Is karo question number 4. Differentiate between summer and winter solstice. Answer: summer solstice, winter solstice. इन्हें मुझे डिफरेंस करें पावन फर्क करें summer solstice मुझे क्या the earth is in the position on its orbit on 1st June every year, whereas in winter solstice the earth is in this position on its orbit on 22nd December every year. The point: the sun is overhead on the Tropic of Cancer on 23.5 degree north, whereas in winter solstice the sun is overhead on the Tropic of Capricorn on 23.5 degree south. Third, days are longer than nights in northern hemisphere in summer solstice, whereas in winter solstice days are shorter than nights in north hemisphere. Fourth part, here is summer in north hemisphere, on winter in south hemisphere, whereas in winter solstice here is winter in north hemisphere and summer in south hemisphere. And now question number 4. What is equinox? Answer: there are times of moderate temperatures. During this phase, the sun crosses the equator to move into the northern and southern hemisphere. Here's on 21st March and 23rd September, respectively. These 2 days are known as equinox because the days and nights are of equal duration throughout the world. यम सवाल आज बे कर मेहरबानी कर पे कापी पे तुलजोक ताकि पगह एग्जाम तुन वोल तथ हेकू जवाब तुम पूर पे लिखित याद कर ठीक तो वनकस इजाजत इंशाअल्लाह रहमान बशर्त कि जिंदगी आइंद बो बे प्रोग्राम तुम ब्रो कन हेत यम तुम फैजाब सपदू तो तुंद मिशन पर्नुक सह गि पूर। शुक्रिया।